Okay, so I know I'm not there, but thankfully today is not going to be a super hard concept for you to get, so I'm going to show you through a video. What you're going to be doing today is going to be your modeling addition of fractions. So you're taking two fractions and you're modeling the two fractions to show what it would be if you combine them to get a sum of them. So I'm using an app called PaintZ just so I can use the computer. But let's say you had 2, 6, and then you were trying to add that to 3, 6. So here's the deal. These fractions have the same denominator. They both have a 6 as their denominator. So because the pieces are the same size, there's no other steps you have to do to add them other than just add them. Now you're not going to add the denominators together. You would only add the numerators. But how we could model this is that we could literally create both of these either separately, one on top of the other, so on the it's not going to be perfectly even, but you'll forgive me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. I need those a little bit smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So poorly drawn, but you get the idea. And then if I were to color in these fractions, on the top one I'll color in 2, and on the bottom one I'll color in 3. Now think about literally just combining these. If we combined 2, 6 with 3, 6, we would take all the ones that we just put in here, all the ones that we just put in this model, and just move them up to the top model. See these 3 pieces? I'm just going to add them to this model. So the final answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pieces colored in out of 6 pieces total. So in the addition problem, we can see that the denominator does not change. The 6 remains a 6. What does change is the 5. The 5 results from adding the 2, 6 plus the 3, 6 to get a total of 5, 6. But the key of this lesson today is that you need to create the models. So as I did right here, you've got to create the models today. That is a non-negotiable. That is going to be what I am checking for understanding. All right, let's grab a different one. Let me get these guys out of here. Boop. Now let's try, I don't know, something easy still. Let's do 7/10 plus 1/10. I know, really complicated stuff here. So what I could do this time is maybe I don't draw 2 different models. I draw the first one, I draw the 7/10, and then I just simply add the 1/10 to it, like maybe with a different color. So I'm going to draw one kind of larger model. I'm going to break it up into tenths. So that means I need to draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, not half bad. That wasn't terrible. It could have been much worse. Now I'm going to color in the 7/10. Right about there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That represents the 7/10. That 7/10 is represented by the orange. Now I'm going to show the 1/10 in different colors. I'll do green. I'm going to show the 1/10 in green. So I add the 1/10, and that's the green. Terrible circling. And then we get a total of how many tenths. We just count all the pieces, regardless of color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tenths. Again, the denominator does not change. What's changing is the numerator, the top number, because we're combining those pieces together. All right, so make sure on your recording sheet you are making the models. Models means boxes. Models means pictures. I need to see the pictures that you're using to help you with this. You can use colors, like I did on this model. I don't care, just as long as you have the picture to match. All right, see ya next week.